In this video, I will show you 3 best free movie apps. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're bored and want to watch movies, we're here to show you some of the best free apps. You can follow along on an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Without further ado, let's get started. The first app is Shubi. You can download it, open it up, and create a free account. Start on the homepage, where you can explore live TV. At the bottom, you'll find a variety of movies and categories, along with TV shows. This app is fantastic. Just tap on a movie, press play, and start watching. Next up is Pluto TV. Download it from the App Store or Play Store and open it. Here, you'll find both movies and TV shows. Go to On Demand at the bottom to browse different categories like sports and movies. Tap on a title, read about it, and press play to start watching. Now, let's move on to the next app, Plex. Download it from your phone store and open it. At the bottom, you can select Live TV or On Demand. Press free to watch and browse through various categories. If you're in the mood for horror, just tap that category and explore the different horror movies available.